Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Elements tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make quick edits to your video projects using the timeline menus or the timeline shortcuts. So if you've ever been editing a video project within Adobe Premiere Elements, you're probably very familiar with the large menus that you have on the right-hand side. What you may or may not have known about is the small sub-menus that are down in the timeline. So often, if I want to make some quick edits to my video project, I end up using the timeline menus versus the actual Adobe Premiere built-in menu. So let's head on into the program and I'll show you exactly what these menus can do. So I have a project open that I have worked on in the past, and this is kind of what everything looks like. And what I want to show you guys today is how you can use the timeline menus or the shortcut menus that are down in the timeline for quick edits. So most of the time when you're editing with Premiere Elements, your go-to is the menu in the top right-hand corner. So as you can see up here, you have your adjustments, you have different things that you can do with your video if you want to speed it up or slow it down. You have motion effects, layering, all sorts of different tools. They're all over here on the right-hand side. So all of these tools are absolutely wonderful, but whenever you're looking to do some quick edits, I like to use the shortcut menus, which are actually built into the timeline. So now that we've gone over the menu in the top right-hand side, let's have a look at what you can do with some of the shortcut menus that are in the timeline. So we'll start down here with the audio track. Let's just say that you want to fade in or out your audio. You can do that using the shortcut menu. So basically you want to right click the menu and then you'll see on here you have a fade. So you can fade in the audio, fade out the audio, or fade in and out the audio. You can also see here, because this is a clip, you can adjust the audio gain. So we can actually adjust the level of the audio all within the shortcut menu. There's a few little things that you can do with your audio. Let's select a clip and see the different options that we have when we're using a clip. So if I right click on this clip, you can see here that I have the fade option again. So I can fade in and out the video, or just fade in or just fade out. Another shortcut I often use is time stretch. So if you go under clip, you can see you have the time stretch option, and you can actually increase the percentage and it'll show you right here how much of the clip it's adjusted. So if I adjust this to 5,000, you'll see that my clip is now shortened down to 1 second. If I do it to 400, you can see my clip is now 19 seconds. You can also reverse the speed of your clip and maintain the audio pitch if you're keeping the audio once you've time stretched a clip. So we're just going to hit cancel on that one, but that is an easy shortcut menu. If you want to do any time lapses or anything like that, you don't need to mess around with all the options over in this menu. You can do a quick edit by right clicking, head to clip, and then you can see time stretches here. We also have our audio gain, so if you want to raise the volume of the clip, so if the person that's speaking in the clip is not clear or you just want it louder for whatever the reason is, oftentimes I will put music in, I'll lower the volume, but you can do all of that right here with the gain just by entering in some numbers. If you want to raise it by 10 decibels, you type the number 10 and click OK. Now, whenever you put a transition in between two videos, so if you're going to put in something like a fade transition, you also can edit that using the timeline menu. So wherever your transitions are, you'll actually see a turquoise colored block. So if you actually want to edit that transition, you just double click on the turquoise block. You have the ability to put the transition on just the left clip or the right clip, or you can put them between the clips. And you have the ability to adjust how long you want that transition to last. And all of that is right here in the timeline menu just by double clicking your transition. And the last shortcut menu that I feel is worth mentioning is definitely the delete audio or the separate audio from video. So when they're linked together like this, you can just right click on the clip and say delete audio. So now the audio is also gone. So that's something else that I often use. Sometimes if I'm going to keep all of the audio, I'll unlink it from the video. Maybe I'll time stretch the video a little bit and then put in some B-roll on top of it while I still have that voiceover in behind. So those are a couple little tips, tricks, things that you can do using the timeline menu of Adobe Premiere Elements. So the next time you're doing your edits and you just want to make some quick little adjustments, don't forget about those timeline menus. Click on your clip, right click, and up comes this great little shortcut menu with a bunch of options that'll save you the headache of going over to the big menu here on the right hand side. So there you have it, an easy way to speed up your editing process using the timeline menus for simple adjustments to your audio or to fade in and out a video. So if you learned something from this video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. It really makes a difference. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.